We'll guide you through how to put text in perspective in Photoshop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, add the image you want to use. Then come over to the left and click on the text tool, and you want to go and type in what you want your text to say. Once you've done that, click on the tick at the top. Press Ctrl T and you can go and resize it. Make sure it's not bigger than what you want to go and warp it into. Now, all you need to do is come over to the left into the tools and click on selection, drag over the text, and then press Ctrl C. Then come and press Ctrl D so it's gone and deselected, and hide the text in your layers. You then want to click on the new layer button at the bottom like so. Go to the top of Photoshop and click on filter and go and click on vanishing point like so. And you need to go and draw around where you want to go and warp the text into and change the perspective for it. As you can see, we've now linked it up like so. Then go and press Ctrl V to go and paste it in, and then click, hold, and you can go and drag it in just like so. After you've done that, you can go and press OK. Now you may notice we go and get this other stuff around. All you need to do is get the rubber and you can rub it out. But that's it, you've now changed the perspective.